Way too much. Hi Felicities, this is Jen Victor and you're tuned into the channel with no name. Today we're back doing basically another unboxing reveal video. One of them is a reveal and the other one is a true unboxing. I did technically do an unboxing for this one, but we're just gonna do it this way because you'll understand. So anyways, if you can see, and if you follow my Instagram and YouTube, you'll know I picked up quite a few things from Dior. And so we're just gonna get started. And if you watch my last episode, yes, we know that the world is under so much turmoil, and so while all of that is happening, I wanted to keep it lighthearted and just be like, OMG, like here's some pretty shiny sparkly stuff, because we're all probably on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, reading books on Oyster, or FaceTiming each other trying to stay sane, and so I just wanted to add to this sanity. And so what I wanted to offer to y'all was just me looking at pretty bags. Okay, so we're gonna get started with this piece. This one, okay, so originally I hated this bag, and you can probably tell what it is, but I hated this bag, and then they came out with this size, and I was like, OMG, and we're just going right into it. This is the Dior Oblique book tote in the size small. I purchased it maybe like from South Coast Plaza like just shy of a month ago, and I had to get on the wait list, and I waited about a week and a half or so, maybe almost 2 weeks, because these are really hard to get. On the unboxing video, I did show putting my MacBook 13-inch Pro with a cover, and it can fit in here. And so it's perfect right now to demonstrate something right here. This actually fits, and this is a MacBook 13-inch Pro. I think it like fits it across. Fits it across, what? So, just FYI, if you're looking to get it, if you don't have like a cover, and so it's basically like just a black hole. But after I got this, my client advisor from the Dior boutique said, since I had told him when I picked this up, this is actually the print that I really wanted, and he had messaged me a couple of days later saying it was available. But what had happened was... Oh my god! It's a little excessive. These bags are really heavy. Like, I'm going to be unboxing this to show y'all the one that I'm pretty much like, I want to keep, but then also with this kind of like pandemic, I'm like, should I have my money in bags? Like, do I need all these bags? Should I have, like, was I like too hasty and just purchasing this right away? And so that's kind of where I find myself in, but then this is the one that I've been hunting for. Oh my god, it's gonna be so pretty. So we're just gonna get started. As you can see, I have one here, and then there's like the box in here. OMG. Hi everyone. Focus. Focus. Okay, wait. Look at me trying to be like HRH. Okay, maybe this will make it into a clip, like into the thumbnail. Does this work? Just messing. Oh, it's so hard to shop and spend all your money on bags when there's a crisis. Okay, I actually haven't seen this since like I bought it, and so we're a little excited. Oh my gosh. It's so... Oh my god, and it's still all wrapped up. Oh. Ah! Ah! So pretty! Oh. Okay, so as you can see, it's the small size, but this one is in the Toile de Jouy, whatever. It has a tiger, and the person that got me on this was Elisa Lenore, and I had seen this and I really wanted it. I know there was like the garden one that came out from this season, but I wanted the tiger rocker. If you get the reference, comment down below. And so he had messaged me and this was available. I feel I can't even open it because it's just so, oh my gosh, fresh, and it's so beautiful. Like, okay, I just want to show the detailings of this one. Like, that is so gorgeous. Like, at least they're not culturally appropriating something, since Maria Grazia Chiuri, she kind of does that. Let's be real. Hashtag, let's look at some of the past designs. Better like this one. I can't be mad. This print, so gorgeous. This one is $100 more than the regular Oblique canvas. Obviously, they're the same bag, they're the same size. This one is just in a different print, and it's also canvas. And yeah, I'm like really super excited. Oh, wait, let me do. Is this a thumbnail yet? Oh wait, let me suck it in. Am I skitty? If you get the reference. I watch a lot of YouTubers and sometimes I'm just like, but yeah, I'm like super excited to get this one, and it's so gorgeous, and at the same time, like I don't need both of them. So like, this one right now I have on sale on like the Facebook groups. If you are interested, message me. I am pricing it a little bit over retail because of PayPal fees and shipping, because I'm not trying to eat that, to be real. Like, you know, so this is already posted on the page, and then we don't want to be on the red because this bag is $100 more, but it's so gorgeous. Like, look at it. Like, if you also know about the shoes in this print, message it to Fierce Renegade or Instagram me on Fierce Renegade. These are my book totes. This is the one that I'm pretty much I think I'm gonna keep. Sans the world falling apart and I need to pay for food, and do I really need a bag? Like, I'm not even gonna lie, there's gonna be more bags that I'm gonna show, and it's just really bad. Like, and they're all like very like tote bags, like it's so much. But like this one, it's just the bee's knees. I've never seen something like, I was hating a lot on the canvas tote and I'm converted. And so yeah, we're just like in awe of how beautiful this is. Like, oh my gosh. I can't even, like, I don't even wanna like take this out. That's kind of where I'm at, because can the world get better first? It'll all get better in time. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yes, it's super beautiful, and oh my god, what do you say? Keep me, it's okay. Look cute when the world will end. No, the world's not gonna end. People have survived so much more difficult moments. Keep me, put your hands up. No, just kidding. This is literally what's happening with this quarantine life. But yeah, so these are my new Oblique totes. This one is for sale. Message me on IG at fiercerenegade@gmail.com or Instagram, Fierce Renegade. And then this one, we're at a yes now. We're gonna just kind of hold and pause our breath and see what happens. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will probably do a video of one of these bags comparing what you can fit in it, and I'm already gonna preface the next video. I'm gonna compare what you can fit in this compared to a Birkin 35. I'm gonna do that in the next video, but yes, and also we'll probably take off the handles. I can't do it right now. I'm gonna wait till this weekend and let's just wait on the news. And then also, I still want to stay cute. I was joking with my cousin, like, as the world's falling apart, why not look fabulous and then just bury me in designer? No, that's morbid. We're gonna be fine. Stay connected, stay far away from each other, stay inside, do videos, watch, look at movies, watch shows, whatever, read on Oyster, video chat people, but don't go outside. Let's limit our interactions with each other physically so that we don't spread the virus, and let's do our part. And if this is gonna help you, just look at this bag. Fawn over it. I'm just like, I can't. #quarantine light. Okay, bye felicities. Thanks for tuning in.